And this is Richard from Of Mice and Trains. We are in downtown San Diego. It has been well over a year and a half since we've seen the beautiful Disney Wonder. We are boarding her tomorrow and doing a back-to-back 2 Mexico cruises, a 4-day and a 3-day. So we'll have 7 days on the ship. This is the night before we depart. All we have to do is pass the COVID test and hopefully that'll work. The last time we saw her, we left her in Vancouver. That was May of 2019, and we've had 4 cruises canceled since then. Now it's looking like we're getting ready to go. The Wonder tomorrow does her first paid sailing in all this time, and hopefully we'll be on it, and we'll have a whole lot more to show you in the next few days. She really looks good, and it's just so thrilling to see her again.